Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through the installation of the UserWay widget on Google Tag Manager. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the home page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet, which is just text that you'll copy and paste. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet in the description area below this video. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list in the management console and it will use the same code. For a link to a walkthrough, check the description area below this video. Sign in to the UserWay management console at manage.userway.org. Go to the left nav menu, find Embed Code, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Google Tag Manager. I'm in Google Tag Manager. Let's install the widget. Go to the Google Tag Manager homepage. There are two tabs at the top of the page, Accounts and Google Tags. Go to the Accounts tab. Look at the center of the page. If you glance below Accounts, you'll see account name and then container name, with the sorting arrow pointing up. In the list below, click the container name link text, where you want to install the UserWay widget. The page that opens is your workspace. You need to create a new tag. To do this, go to the top left and click on Add a new tag. A new window will slide in from the right side. First, go to the top of the new window and in the folder name, next to the folder icon, rename the untitled tag UserWay. Now, click anywhere on the tag configuration section. A new search section will slide in from the right. Scroll down the list and select Custom HTML. In the new window, go to the empty field with a tiny HTML label. Click inside the field and paste your unique code in the text area. Now, scroll down. You'll see the triggering section. Click anywhere in this section. Another new window will appear. In the list under Choose a Trigger, click All Pages. You want the UserWay widget to be visible across your site. Once you've selected it, scroll back up and click on the Save button at the top right. You'll be redirected to your workspace. You're almost done. Go to the top right and click on the Submit button. A new window will slide in from the right side. Click on Publish at the top right. You may add a version name and version description here or skip this step. You'll see a timer screen followed by a version confirmation screen. You can close out of this with the X at the top left. You'll now see your container name with a live version confirmation. You're all set. Preview your site to make sure the UserWay widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can go to UserWay Management Console and check your dashboard. Some widget customization options are also available directly in the widget settings as well. If you're still using the free widget, you may want to consider moving ahead to the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade at the link in the description below this video.